Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. So, today's numerical, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 30. Solution. Given curve is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Differentiate with respect to x on both this side. dy by dx of y is dy by dx. dy by dx of x square 2x minus 2 is constant quotient, keep it set. dy by dx of x 1, 2 into 1 is 2 plus dy by dx of constant 0. So derivative of this y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 is dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. So slope of the tangent is 2x minus 2. Now required line is parallel to this line. So slope of the line a bit, slope of the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 is, if the line is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then slope of the line is equal to minus x coefficient y coefficient. So minus x coefficient is 2 by y coefficient is minus 1. So minus 2 by minus 1 means 2 is this slope. So required line is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9. So lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. So dy by dx is called slope of the tangent and required line slope is this. Then equate these two slopes. Now equating the slopes, so 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. So minus 2 shift that side plus 2. So 2x is equal to 2 plus 2 means 4. So 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. This into 2 shift this side. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. X is equal to, if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, then y is equal. So substitute x is equal to 2 in the given curve. So y is equal to 2 square means 2 into 2, 4 minus 2x, 2 into 2, 4 plus 7. So y is equal to 7. Therefore, point of contact x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7. Now we want to find the equation of the tangent. So tangent passes through the point 2, 7 with slope. So required tangent is parallel to this line. So parallel to this line Then slope of this 2x minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 0 is, what is that slope? Slope is this. Is, if a line passes through the point x1 y1 having slope m, then equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 y1, this is m. So y minus y1 is equal to 7, m is 2 into x minus x1 is 2. Simplify this. Y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 2 into 2 is 4. So these terms shift the other side. 2x plus 5 shift the other side, minus 5. Minus 7 shift the other side, plus 7 minus 4. Plus 7 minus 4 means plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line parallel to 2x minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 0 and tangent to the curve, given curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. This is the problem for the part of A bit. Next, B bit. We want to find the equation of the tangent to the given curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is perpendicular to this line. So lines are perpendicular. Then product of their slopes is minus 1. So given curve is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Then differentiate with respect to x on both this side. d by dx of y, dy by dx is equal to x square derivative 2x minus 2x derivative 2 plus 7 constant derivative 0. So take this slope is m1. Slope of the given line, slope of the given line 5y minus 15x is equal to 30 is m2 is equal to minus x coefficient is minus 15, minus of minus 15 plus 15 by y coefficient is 5. So 15 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are, so 3. So required line is perpendicular to this. This line slope is m2 is equal to 3. And slope of the curve is, this is m1 is equal to 2x minus 2. If the lines are perpendicular, then product of these slopes m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 is 2x minus 2 into m2 is 3 is equal to minus 1. So this is 3 into 2x 6x, 3 into minus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. 6x is equal to minus 6 to shift this side. So already minus 1 there, this is plus 5 plus 6 minus 6 this side, it comes plus 6. So 6x is equal to minus 1 plus 6, 5. X is equal to 5 by 6. X is equal to 5 by 6. If x is equal to 5 by 6, then y is equal to, substitute here, y is equal to x square. X square means 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So this is 5 by 6 whole square means a by b whole power m, a to the power of m by b to the power of m. 5 square means 25 by 6 square means 36, 6 into 6 minus 2 into 5, 10 by 6 plus 7 means 7 by 1. So LCM is 36 is LCM. So 36, in 36 is a factor of 1. 1 into 25 is 25. Minus 6 is a factor of, in 36 is 6. 6 into 10, it is 6. Plus 1 is factor of 36 is 36. 36 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 4. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4. 25. So simplify this value. So 252 plus 25. 252 plus 25. 7, 7, 2. Minus 60. Subtract 60. So 7 minus 0. 7. 7 minus 6. 1. This is 2. So this value is 217 by 36. Therefore, point is 5 by 6, 217 by 36. Now, we want to find the equation of the tangent which is perpendicular to this line, to this line. So, required tangent is required tangent is passing through the point 5 by 6, 217 by 36 with the slope of this line is minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus of minus 15 by 5. So minus of minus 15 by 5 means 15 by 5 3. So that is perpendicular. Perpendicular means perpendicular slope is minus 1 by 3. So we know that equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 with the slope m, then equation is y minus y1 is equal to m. M means minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. Then simplify this equation. So this one, shift this side. Otherwise here by 1 36 is LCM. So 36 is LCM. Take it. 1 is the 36 times. So this is the 36 1. 36 is 1 time. 1 into 270 means 270. So minus 1 by 3 into x means minus x by 3. Minus into minus plus 1 into 5 is 5 by 3 into 6 is 18. Then all the terms shift this side. Minus x by 3 comes this side. Plus x by 3. So this is plus 36 1 minus 270 by 36 minus 5 by 18 is equal to 0. So here 36 is LCM. So 3 in 36 12 times. 12 into x is 12x. 36 is 1 time. 1 into 36y. 36y minus 270 minus 18 is 2 times. 2 into 5. This is 10 is equal to 0. So this is 12x plus 36y. 270 minus 10 means both are minus. Minus 227 by 36 shift this side. So 36 into 0 is equal to 0. 36 1. So this is the required line. which is perpendicular to this, which is perpendicular to this, and tangent to the given curve. Next problem. Find the points on the curve y is equal to x at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So solution: let p xy be any point on the given curve. Y is equal to x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. dy by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of x cube, dy by dx of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. So 3 into x power 3 minus 1. So in the place of x, x won't be there. So we took pxy with any point on the curve means then dy by dx is called slope of the tangent. Therefore, slope of the tangent is 3x square. Given slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. So y coordinate is what? Now 3x square is equal to y. But y is equal to, from the given curve, x cube. Means 3x square is equal to x cube. Then 3x square is equal to x cube. So plus x cube shift the other side. So this is minus x cube. So 3x square minus x cube is equal to 0. Then common out x square from these two terms. So 3 minus x is equal to 0. So this product is equal to 0 means either x square is equal to 0 or 3 minus x is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 or 3 minus x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. So if x is equal to 0 then y is equal. So point lie on this curve. So then substitute x is equal to 0 here, y is equal to 0 cube. 0 cube is 0. Therefore, point is 0, 0. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal. Point lie on this curve. So substitute x is equal to 3 here. So y is equal to 3 cube. So 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. Therefore, another point is what is that? X is equal to 3, y is equal to 27. So find the points on the curve. Hence required points. Hence required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27. Next problem. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square am cube. For the curve ay square is equal to x cube. So suppose y is equal to f of x is any curve pxy with any point on the curve. Then this one we call it as tangent of the curve. And the normal means perpendicular to this and passing through the given point. This is what is called normal. So normal is, this is the tangent and this is the normal. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. If lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is equal to -1. So slope of the tangent is m1 and the slope of the normal is m2. If the lines are perpendicular, then product of the slopes is equal to -1. So m1 m2 is equal to -1. Therefore m2 is equal to, m2 means slope of the normal is equal to -1 into m1 should be side -m1. So therefore slope of the normal is equal to -1 by m1 means m1 is the slope of the tangent. So we will use this condition. So here solution of the problem is given curve ay square is equal to x and the point is am square am. Now differentiate with respect to x on both the side this curve. So a is a constant coefficient, keep it same. Then y square derivative is 2y. In the place of x, x not there. Then d by dx of y will write it as dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube. So it seems to be the formula d by dx of x power n. d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, x power 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. In the place of x, x only there. Then d by dx of x is 1. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square. This into 2ay should be other side. This is y 2ay. Now we want to find the slope of the tangent at this point. Means dy by dx. Substitute wherever x is there in dy by dx, x is equal to am square and y is equal to am cube. Substitute here. Therefore, slope of the tangent is dy by dx at given point am square am cube. Means in dy by dx wherever x is there, write in the place of x is equal to am square and y is equal to, write in the place y is am cube. So this is 3 into am square whole square. am square whole square by 2a into y means am cube. So this is nothing but 3 into am square whole square, ab whole power m, a to the power of m means a square. So m square whole square, this is m power 4 by 2a into a, 2a square. So into m. So here a square gets cancelled. This m cube cancelled in m power 4 is m times. So this is how much? 3 by 2 m. So therefore slope of the tangent is 3 by 2. Slope of the normal is -1 by slope of the tangent. So -1 by 3 by 2. So simplify this. Minus this by 3m by 2. Convert into case 1 into this is 2 by 3. So this is nothing but -2 by 3. Now we want to find the equation of the normal. So, equation of the normal at a square am. So, equation of the normal passes through the point am square am with the slope. So the slope of the normal is what is that? Minus 2 by 3 is equation of the normal passes through this point x1 y1 with the slope this. Then equation of the line is y minus y1 means am minus slope is minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1 is am. Now simplify this. So 3m should this side. 3m into y is 3m1 minus 3m into am. So this is 3am power 4 is equal minus 2 into x is minus 2x minus into minus is plus 2am square. So these are terms should this side. So this is minus 2x should this side. 2x plus 3m1 minus 3am power 4. So this 2am square should this side minus 2am square is equal to 0. So this is the required line which is the normal at this point to this curve.